Welcome. In this video I will show you the best method to use a bike bell on your WAHOO Elemnt ACE cycling computer. To turn on bike bell sound, we need to open settings, start by pressing this button once and scroll left to the device settings and scroll down to the bike bell option. Simply tap on it and you can turn it on like that, and you can also adjust the volume by using this slider. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.